friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. Today in this video, let us going to discuss first and second problems in exercise 8.3 in similar triangles. Right? Okay, this is the first question in exercise 8.3 in similar triangles of 10th class mathematics. Yes, let us see the sum. Equilateral triangles are drawn on the three sides of a right angle triangle. Show that the area of the triangle on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the areas of triangles on the other two sides. Understood? See again, equilateral triangles are drawn on the three sides of right angle triangle. Show that the area of the triangle on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the areas of triangles on the other two sides. Has given like that. Actually, we know in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. But what we have to show, the area of the triangle on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the areas of the triangles on the other two sides. Right? Let us draw the diagram. Yes. Look here. Suppose ABC is a triangle. Right angle is at B, right? So the sides of the right angle triangles are different lengths, right? So three triangles which are equilateral triangles draw on all the sides of the right angle triangle, right? So that is, suppose this is yes, AP. Suppose this is P. Next, another triangle I have drawn. This is Q, and another triangle. This is R. So these three are equilateral triangles drawn on the hypotenuse and other two sides, right? So what we have to show? Area of triangle APC is equal to area of triangle AQB plus area of triangle BRC. Let us show. Yes. Look here. This is triangle ABC in a right angle triangle. This side will be small a, right? BC side will be small a. This will be small b, and this will be its opposite is small c. So it A means it is also A. It is B. Here this is CC. Right? Yes. Let us prove. So what has given? Write down first. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Right? Next, APC, triangle APC, triangle AQB, triangle BRC are equilateral triangles, isn't it? Equilateral triangles. Next, RTP. What we have to prove? Area of triangle APC, is equal to area of triangle AQB, plus area of triangle BRC. Right? We have to prove this one. Yes. Proof. Yes. Let us see. Here, these are all equilateral triangles only, isn't it? So what is the area? What is the formula of area of equilateral triangle? Is 3 by 4 A square. A means side. Right? So first write down that area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. A means here side. Right? So first we have in triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, na? So the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, right? The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Here hypotenuse is small b, other two sides C and A. So we have in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So that implies AC square means B square is equal to C square plus A square. So this is equation number 1C. Right? Yeah. Now take this triangle, area of triangle. Take area of triangle AQB, area of triangle AQB plus area of triangle BRC. Area of triangle BRC is equal to area of triangle AQB means root 3 by 4 A square means here C side is, so root 3 by 4 C square plus here BRC means A square, right? Exactly, root 3 by 4 A square. If you do common root 3 by 4 as common, so that is C square plus A square. C square plus A square. Look here, from 1, C square plus A square is equal to how much? As B square. So in the place of C square plus A square, substitute B square. So that is equal to root 3 by 4 B square. Root 3 by 4 B square. Root 3 by 4 B square means yes, area of triangle APC. That is equal to area of triangle APC. Area of triangle APC. What we have taken? Area of triangle AQB plus BRC. Look here, AQB plus BRC. Final what we have got? So area of triangle APC. Therefore, area of triangle APC is equal to area of triangle AQB, plus area of triangle BRC. Okay, hence proved. Have you understood clearly? Yes. So from this, what can you say? Area of equilateral triangle drawn on hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the areas of equilateral triangles which are drawn on other two sides. Is it clear? Yes. Second question. Prove that the area of the equilateral triangle described on the side of a square is half the area of the equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. Understood the sum? See, prove that the area of the equilateral triangle described on a side of a square is equal to half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. Yes, look here. First, according to the problem, draw a diagram, draw a square first. Suppose ABCD is a square of side A, right? Why? Because all the sides are equal in a square. Next, draw a diagonal AC. AC is equal to how much? Yes, if it is A, side is A, then diagonal is root of A square plus A square. Root 2A square means root 2A. Yes, its diagonal is root 2A. Next, what has given? The equilateral triangle described on its side. Side means suppose like this, this one take P. P, this is all the sides are equal here, this one and this one. This is also A and this is also A. Equilateral triangle described on its side is equal to half of the area of equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. The equilateral triangle which is described on its diagonal we have to take, right? So, suppose this is root 2A means it is also root 2A side. This is suppose Q. So, area of triangle BPC is equal to half the area of triangle ACQ. We have to prove. Right, understood? Yes, let us prove. Yeah, yes, given. First given, what has given? ABCD is a square of side A. Right, its diagonal is root 2a, isn't it? Next, BPC, triangle BPC and triangle QAC are the equilateral triangles on the sides BC and AC. BC, here BC side, AC is diagonal, right? Yes, RTP, what we have to prove is, look here, area of triangle BPC, area of triangle BPC is equal to half the area of triangle QAC. This triangle area will be equal to half the area of this triangle, right? Yes, let us prove. Proof. Yes, actually, what is the formula of area of an equilateral triangle? Yes, if side A give means the area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, exactly. Yes, write on that. Area of an equilateral triangle of side A is root 3 by 4 a square, right? Yes. Next, look here. Suppose if you take this one, area of triangle QAC, is equal to root 3 by 4 a square means side means here, what is root 2a? Root 2a whole square, isn't it? Yes, that is equal to root 3 by 4 into root 2 whole square means 2 into a square. So that is equal to root 3 by 4, that is equal to root 3 by 4. First write down 2 into root 3 by 4 a square. Shall we write like this or not? Yes, exactly. So that is equal to 2 into root 3 by 4 a square means here the side of A is in this equilateral triangle BPC, the side is A, then area of this equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square, isn't it? Yes, so in the place of root 3 by 4 a square, shall we write a triangle, area of triangle BPC or not? Yes, exactly. Yes, 2 into area of triangle BPC, right? So this is actually area of triangle QAC. Therefore, area of triangle QAC is equal to 2 into area of triangle BPC. So that implies area of triangle BPC is equal to, if you transfer this side means half into area of triangle QAC. Half into, you see, area of triangle BPC is equal to half into area of triangle QAC. So proved or not? Yes, exactly. So hence proved. Have you understood clearly? From this, what can you say easily? Yes, the area of an equilateral triangle which is described on any side of a square is equal to the area half of the area of an equilateral triangle which is described on its diagonal. Have you understood clearly? Okay friends, yes. If you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.